Diploma semester examination. Branch Civil Engineering 6M. Subject Repair and Rehabilitation of Building. Section A. First, repair. Second, rehabilitation. Third, maintenance. Fourth, shot blasting. Fifth, sand blasting. Sixth, cement gouts. Seventh, blistering. Eighth, carbonation. Ninth, deterioration. 10th, investigation. 11th, spalling. 12th, corrosion. Section B. Question number 13. Write the objects of building rehabilitation. Question number 14. Explain compatibility of repair material. Question number 15. Write the name 10 repair material. Question number 16. Explain the properties of sealant. Question number 17. What are the purpose of investigation? Question number 18. Explain dry packing. Question number 19. Write the factors which influence the selection of materials for repair. Section C. Question number 20. Write the factors influencing the repair and rehabilitation. Question number 21. Explain various diseases of timber. Question number 22. Explain the various joints used in building. Question number 23. Write environment factors causing deterioration of the building. Question number 24. Explain the methods of repair of joints in building. Question number 25. What are the harmful effects of dampness? Explain. Question number 26. Write the comparison of destructive and non-destructive tests.